Ever feel like you're doing everything right with your investments, but watching them grow is like watching paint dry? What if I told you that Slow Start is actually the secret launchpad for a 15-year journey to serious wealth? It's all part of something called the 8-4-3 rule, a brilliant way to see how compounding can take your money from a slow crawl to a full-on sprint. So, how does it work? For the first 8 years, you just focus on consistently investing every single month. Honestly, this is the slow part. It might not feel like much is happening, but you're building a powerful financial foundation. Think of it as packing a snowball at the top of a very, very big hill. Then things get interesting. In just the next 4 years, your investments can grow by the same amount as they did in the entire first 8 years. That snowball is picking up some serious speed. But the real fireworks happen in the final 3 years. In that short time, your wealth can double again. That's the incredible, mind-bending power of compounding interest in action. This isn't about being a stock market genius. It's simply about time in the market. The secret sauce here is just sticking with it. Stay consistent and start as early as you can with disciplined investments, like equity mutual funds. If you're ready to let compounding do the heavy lifting for you, drop a compound in the comments and let's get this journey started.